Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, June 25th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. Well, we have a pesky little low-pressure system to the south of Long Island that's producing a few isolated showers over Connecticut and especially over parts of eastern Long Island, and also a little bit of fog, reducing visibility around 3 miles on the east end of Long Island. Other than that, the sky cloud cover throughout the rest of the region. Temperatures range from the lower to mid-50s over the higher elevations around the Poconos and Catskills. As you head down towards the coast, temperatures generally range from the lower to mid-60s. Enjoyable weather. Enjoy it while you can, because a tropical air mass is set to invade the region, and it's going to be a bit uncomfortable moving forward. On our surface map, we have this wave of low pressure that's going to continue to lift to the northeast. There's our isolated showers. Tranquil conditions with this high pressure system that's going to be taking hold by the time we get to this afternoon and evening, providing quiet weather. Don't worry about this. This is a pretty impressive MCS here. This will remain over the upper Midwest and dive into the Ohio River Valley before collapsing, so no concern with that. This frontal boundary, though, will be something to be concerned about. As this frontal boundary lifts towards the region tomorrow, it's going to basically be the leading edge of our tropical air mass. It's going to be invading the area, setting up a rather hot and humid weather pattern through much of next week. And we're talking about the potential for a heat index to push anywhere from the mid-90s to lower 100s, especially in the Delaware River Valley, but also the threat for some rather dynamic and impressive thunderstorms, especially anything that kind of develops over, let's say, a sea breeze front or anything of that nature. Those thunderstorms will not only be capable of producing very heavy downpours and vivid lightning because of all the moisture in the atmosphere, but also are not going to be moving all that much. So we're going to have to keep an eye out for the potential for flash flooding starting Sunday and really on through much of next week. On our wind map, you could see the whole pattern starting to evolve here. There's our low pressure system lifting northward. There's our frontal boundary. There's our nice little convergence of wind. And you could see the air mass is starting to organize from the tropical Atlantic through Bermuda and lifting up towards our neck of the woods, with this high pressure system dropping south, setting up our Bermuda high pattern and building in. On the latest visible satellite picture, there's our low pressure system lifting northward towards southern New England. We have low clouds over Connecticut and Long Island and parts of the Hudson River Valley and immediate Jersey Shore right now, but these clouds will break up as we move on through the day, with scattered cloud cover by the time we get to this afternoon and evening. On the latest infrared satellite picture, there is our pattern setting up. Now, there's nothing to worry about here. This won't reach us because this ridge is going to build up and become a block for anything that's trying to approach from the west. So this block is going to be, well, pretty much as strong as traffic on the LIE. It's not going to go anywhere, at least for the next couple of days. And that's going to set up the potential for a rather tropical air mass throughout the region. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, really the last comfortable day, with a few isolated showers this morning, giving way to scattered cloud cover this afternoon. Temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s. You will notice a little uptick in the humidity, but it's not oppressive or anything just yet. By the time we get to tonight, we start to see that gradual shift. Winds starting to come in from the southeast. Low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s. Might see a little bit of fog. Then tomorrow afternoon, that frontal boundary that is off the coast will lift through the region, start to wash out and break apart, but will still be capable of producing isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not a washout, but just be aware of a heavy downpour or two. Look for temperatures to rise into the upper 70s to mid 80s. Upper 70s along the coast, mid 80s towards the Delaware River Valley. Then we really start to heat up. On Sunday, we enter into our tropical air mass pattern. High pressure systems off the coast. We get a southerly wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour in the afternoon. Watch out for fog in the morning, isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Otherwise, a mix of southern clouds and muggy. Look for low temperatures ranging anywhere from the upper 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s along the immediate coast. Mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley, possibly a few lower 90s, and lower to mid 80s over the higher elevations, with a marked increase in humidity. Then for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and really into Thursday, we have the same pattern setting up. Fog in the morning, a mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon with isolated showers and thunderstorms, and these thunderstorms will be capable of heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and will not move all that fast. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s for lows. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast, basically around your sea breeze. Mid 80s to lower 90s for your higher elevations, and for the Delaware River Valley, looking at upper 80s to mid 90s. Mid 90s if you don't get any thunderstorms, you get mostly sunshine. Around 90 if you get some of those thunderstorms to hit your area. And it's going to be muggy with high humidity, and that's going to lead to that heat index ranging anywhere from about 95 to 105. So definitely I expect the potential for some heat advisories being issued. So not exactly the best week to be walking around outside, that is for sure. You're going to definitely drink plenty of water, check your elderly and your kids, because it's going to be one of those air masses after it's been so nice. It's going to kind of punch you in the gut. You know, it's really going to surprise you. On Friday, we have a cold front that's slowly going to push south. It's a strong cold front, though, so it's going to be capable of widespread showers and thunderstorms over the higher elevations and over the interior. But along the coast, because it's going to take a while to get there, only isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, maybe becoming more widespread as we move towards midnight. We'll have to see exactly how this cold front moves. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 60s to mid 70s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s over the higher elevations, where most of the rainfall will be. Lower to mid 80s on the coast because of your sea breeze. But in the Delaware River Valley, especially around Philadelphia, temperatures will range from the upper 80s to lower 90s with that high level of humidity. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.